Hello. Last video we arrived to the point of data types, and we will continue. We covered strings, numbers, booleans, null, and objects. We will cover, well, first of all, I will make this more easy to read. This is a string. I will put only one example of each, and these in JavaScript are called primitive data types. Okay? String, number, boolean, null, and undefined. This is undefined. Okay? Is a variable that it's not defined, so it's undefined. Okay, and this, what are the implications of this? Okay, if I log this, the undefined, I get an undefined, but well, maybe this is misleading. Example of undefined. Yeah, this is better. Because undefined is a reserved key of JavaScript, but I still get an undefined, which means, well, this variable is not defined, so you get an undefined. It's not the same that null, because in null I initialize it with a null variable. In practical terms, when you are programming, the differences are almost non-existent, But I don't know, this is something like the null reserves the space in memory in the computer, but the undefined not, or something like that. Anyway, we will leave it here. String, numbers, booleans, nulls, and undefined. And these are the non-primitive types. Okay, that we saw the object and the functions. Okay. There is one more primitive data type, which is the symbol. And I think there is another one, but this is something that almost never almost never used, so I will not cover it. And inside the objects would be the array. The array, for example, is a type of object, a set, and a date. Well, we might see some of these. We will see them further in future. And finally, we have the functions, which have const function, function, example of function that executes whichever block of code we put inside. I am a function. And to call a function, I just have to do this. Okay, if I run this, here I have it. So, primitive data types, string, number, boolean, null, undefined. There is one more, but you can forget about it. You can live without that, without the other one. And non-primitive data types, the objects and functions. Okay? That's it. This is a short video. See you later.